Hey, pretty, eat. Eat. Are you the nice one? Yes, you're the one with the pink. Eat before they come back. Come on. Come on, eat. You're not going to eat? I'll back up. Do you need me to back up? Oh, God. See, she knew the bully was going to come. Hey, yeah. Just, hey. Come on, eat, sweetheart, before she comes back and kicks you out. Come on. Go ahead, eat. I mean, come on. Look how skinny you are. Oh, okay, you're standing up for yourself. Okay, good job. Yep. Oh, and you're sharing with everyone else. That's right. Stick up to the bullies. Stand up to the bullies. Don't take no bull stuff. Okay? Pretty girl. Or guy. Wonder how you could tell whether they're female or male. Look at, yes, good. Good job. I hope I'm helping you become more brazen, become more confident. Yeah, that's right. Like, she got my back. What's up? What's up?